Can you get a poor man's patent? I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And the truth is, no, it is no longer a thing. A poor man's patent, which is this notion of being able to mail the invention to yourself to get it sort of addressed or notarized or certified by a third party that you had invented it first, that no longer counts. About 10 years ago, the laws changed to where it's the first to file gets the invention rights, not first to invent. So it doesn't actually matter that you can prove that a third party date stamped your invention. It's about whether you took the effort, the impetus to file that patent application with the USPTO first. So don't miss out, don't delay, get hold of us, click the contact button above and get started today with a free discovery call. Do not end up with a piece of paper when you should have gotten a patent granted. All right, buddy, I'm JD Houvener, wishing you a good one. Go big, go bold.